Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, this is a heavy box right here. Right here, we have the Whisker City Cat Scratcher. This box, it feels like it's kind of heavy. All right, guys. So this is how the box look. It got a nice, pretty cat right there. It says 49 inches, lovable lookout. And they got another nice looking cat right there. And the cat scratcher, this looks really good. I mean, the picture, I don't know if y'all can see it. Yeah, but this looks really good. I mean, outside the box, don't really have much. Right here, it has your instructions. So I don't know if it has a manual, but most likely it do. They got the instructions right there. So what we're gonna do is, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna open this up. Excuse me if I'm breathing hard, because the box was kind of heavy. All right. Open. Okay. So it does have an instruction manual in the inside, which I figured that, and that's the first thing I seen. Was the instruction manual. It tells you everything to do. These are pretty fairly easy. You know, it's not hard to. You know, you just gotta read. Make sure you read everything. Put the screws in correctly. I put one of these together before. But other than that, if you take it step by step and you take your time, it's not hard to at all. And these are screws that come with it right here. And you pretty much have all the different pieces in here. All the different pieces in here. This one. Alrighty. So all the pieces are in here. This right here. Oh, smells so fresh. Oh, wow. But my cat gonna mess it up though. So everything is in here. This is the rest of that's in the box right here. Y'all can see this right here. This is the rest in it. This is the Whisker City Cat Scratcher. It says dangling toy for added fun, cozy hideout for napping and rest. It has 4 poles and 1 hideout. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your Whisker City Cat Scratcher, and I'm about to put this together, and it looks pretty. Oh yes. Y'all have a good one. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed the review. Leave a comment if you can. Share this. This is Super Album TV, ladies and gentlemen. Until next time.